Most people are told that aging automatically means stiff joints, weak muscles, poor balance, and slowly losing independence. That narrative sounds convincing, but it's not the full truth. Aging doesn't steal strength overnight. Inactivity does. In this video, you'll learn 3 simple isometric holds that are timeless, joint-friendly, and incredibly effective. These movements help you stay mobile, build real strength, and maintain independence well into later years. No fancy equipment, no extreme workouts, just proven fundamentals. Let's start with number 1, wall sits. Wall sits train one of the most critical skills for healthy aging, the ability to support your own body weight with control and confidence. Research consistently shows that poor lower body strength is linked to functional decline and a higher risk of falls. If your legs are weak, daily life becomes harder. Chairs feel lower, stairs feel steeper, balance becomes unstable. For beginners, place your back against a wall, step your feet slightly forward, and bend your knees just enough to feel the muscles activate. You don't need to go deep. Accumulate 1 to 3 minutes per day. That's it. If you're intermediate, slide down until your thighs approach parallel with the floor. Keep your torso upright and your core engaged. Spread your effort throughout the day and build toward 5 to 10 total minutes. If you're advanced, sit deeper and experiment with foot distance to change the challenge. Accumulate 15 to 30 minutes across the day. Short holds still count. Wall sits reinforce the knees, strengthen the hips, and build serious postural endurance. This is survival strength. Master wall sits, and you rebuild lower body power, confidence, and long-term independence. Number 2, horse stance. The horse stance is a quiet powerhouse. It looks simple, but it develops strong legs, resilient joints, and deep structural stability. Research shows that sustained isometric training improves joint integrity, muscular endurance, and balance. These are non-negotiable qualities as we age. For beginners, stand wider than shoulder width and bend your knees slightly. Keep your chest tall and your weight evenly distributed. Hold briefly, multiple times throughout the day. If you're intermediate, lower your hips more, keep your posture upright, and stay relaxed while maintaining tension. Hold for 3 to 5 minutes total. If you're advanced, descend as low as your joints allow. You can add slow lateral shifts or gentle pulses to increase intensity. Accumulate around 10 minutes per day. Even short daily holds create big results. The horse stance strengthens the legs, opens the hips, and improves overall stability. It grounds you in your body and builds quiet confidence. Takeaway: do the horse stance daily. It's simple, scalable, and extremely effective. Number 3, plank. True core strength isn't about six-pack abs. It's about protecting your spine, improving balance, and staying injury-free. Research consistently shows that core training reduces lower back pain, improves posture, and enhances functional movement in older adults. For beginners, start on your forearms and toes. Keep your ribs down, neck neutral, and body in one straight line. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds and gradually build up. If you're more advanced, include side planks and controlled variations to challenge stability from different angles. The goal isn't exhaustion, it's control. Daily plank practice reinforces the core, stabilizes the spine, and improves balance. A strong core dramatically lowers the risk of falls and injuries. Takeaway: plank every day. It's foundational strength that pays off long-term. These 3 isometric holds aren't trends, hacks, or shortcuts. They're fundamental human skills that your body recognizes immediately. Just a few minutes of consistent daily practice can change how you move, how you feel, and how you age. Start today. Stay consistent. Your future self will thank you.